basically, me and Shane here, taking a little couple-day trip to a tree down to Kansas. Gonna get on, hopefully.
See how things go.
See how it goes.
On the road again. On the road again. Stopped at the old Quick Star here in Iowa. It's called Quick Star. Same thing as Quick Trip. We just filled up. Had to get a phone charger.
Lemos!
And we on the road again. What are we, 5 and some change in?
Huh? 5 hours?
Yeah, 5 hours in.
Yeah.
5.5 hours in. We got about 5 more hours to go.
Phone call.
We got a little update on the bird count, and we're gonna need more shells. Do not enter and rent. Come on, let's see it. Come on, turn around. Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy.
That's just for me.
Got the goods. Next stop, McFats. But this dude decided to get a mega bag of... Wow, he can't even make it to the car without opening them. Alright, update, final stop. What was it?
Mickey D's.
Mickey D's.
And Walmart.
3:45 left to go. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Stacked up. Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Since everybody always has cameras on you, what's going on? You always have cameras on other people. How does it feel?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
How does it feel?
I'm usually the one that has cameras on.
Feels
good, dude.
Where are we?
We're in Saskatchewan. We're up here just
It feels
having a
good,
good
dude.
time. But oh got the buddies down here. Mm-hmm.
Bombed it. 5 o'clock last night. Got the phone call.
Dude, it worked out good. Now you're down here.
this
Now
out.
you can hang out.
Right. Yeah, when you shoot light, we'll shoot more. It is a pretty. There are some, like, I video those birds a lot. Like, they go to an RV park where I can pull right up next to it.
Should be good, hopefully. Guess we'll see.
First morning.
Yeah. Getting dressed.
Getting ready.
Getting ready.
You want me to park it?
Look who it is.
Top of the morning. All the way here from Kansas, boys. Got the good old boys from Wisconsin down. Shane, Caden. It's gonna be a good time. I'm happy they're here. Hopefully we blast them up this far and do pretty good. We've out of this field a couple times now, and it's a really special field for Bob and all them. So it's a privilege to be here and shoot in this field with them. Hopefully we just blast a bunch of birds and
Bang them up.
yeah, give them a good old welcome to Kansas this morning. Should be sweet, dude. I'm excited. You excited?
I'm stoked.
Don't load up yet. Okay.
Ready to hang him up? Hopefully.
Gotta hope.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's go. We forgot this morning that he likes bus guys.
Him, I just had him to like. You gotta get him a real level.
Wait.
Yeah, no, and that's the same thing with Rick. I mean, honestly, like.
Blow your guys' ear out. When we step out, I'll say it every time. Guns up, please. We've witnessed accidents. There was a horrific accident locally, so we're on par with the safety. Safety's number fucking one today. Fuck killing a bird. We all have to go home to our family. I always say that it's the most important. Yes, sir. Your job, man your gun. Man your gun if we need help. Shooting a cripple, or hey guys, we killed 30. Like, hey, got to get sit down, we'll ask you. Just operate your gun, be safe. Do not put the muzzle of the gun down in your boot bag, please. It needs to be rested on your knee bar in a nice comfy place where you can set up. When you set up, those doors will open for you. You don't have to open them and set up. So one motion up, everybody shoots together. Make sure your face is all the way underneath. This will give us some shadow, but just get all the way down. When we call a shot, it'll be loud. Get up, start ripping. If we're landing birds, landing, the ones on the ground are the easiest to kill. So when the first shot goes off, they all lift and you fucking rake them. They all fall. You're not having to do this shit, you know. If there's not very many lessons or whatever, shoot white. We're gonna try to kill white to get the numbers up. But other than that, gun safety.
Yes, sir.
Specs are closed.
Hey, Bobby, I don't know if anybody's told you this or not yet this morning, but you guys are running one hell of an operation out here.
Specs are closed. So if
What do you
there's
think?
specs in the mix, we're not shooting, we're gonna let them try to get out of the way.
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty sweet.
We'll have our eyes open.
Very ball.
I think Fred wants to be in my blind.
Yeah. He's probably a nice one.
Shoot him on the right side! Nice shot. That's a good shooter over there. Let's go! You gotta fetch it up, dummy. Let's roll. Come on. You got a stick with it or what? Come on. Oh. Here. Oh, good boy.
It's a fat line out there.
Shoot up! Hell yeah. Get him, Fred! Come on, let's go!
I always have a box to shoot.
You gotta see him flapping to your right. You can see him.
Here, come on. Wait, the bull here. Channel. Right here. Shoot these ones in the decoys. Good job.
Oh, I wish that blue would have died. There's some cool blues in there. Those specs like that. That was pretty cool.
That was.
course, the one time we fucking specs in. Yeah. And the specs do it the nicest, too.
So he's gonna tackle this goose.
That works, right? Yeah. Never fails, does it? Oh my God. Hell yeah, baby. It's crazy that, like, how many birds there are, Shane, and they're like, this is like nothing.
Wham bam. Lay down. Let's get in. Get him there. Okay.
Hell right. Shit, fellas.
Woohoo!
Gee, hey, homie, this way.
Dude, that was insane. I was waiting for him to, you know, get another.
Yeah, I shot into the Lester's like
down.
first shot, and then I went to those snows.
Hey. That was sick.
Look at him come.
There's old Bob,
I think they're
Bobby
awesome.
guy,
So little.
getting his workout in today.
Yeah. Yeah.
One more. Get it!
Look at Aaron running.
Come on, Aaron!
That's why he doesn't go to the gym. That's sweet.
Look at that! Look at that blue. That's beautiful.
Here.
Are you kidding me?
Close to the tree, look at that. Stay down.
This is insane.
Look at all the birds up front. Let's get there! Get balls, Chris.
God.
Oh, here. Come on.
Here! Right here.
Tackle his ass.
Hey, here.
Caden.
What?
Check this thing out.
Huh?
Look how little. Dude, there's so many in the middle of this field.
I didn't even aim.
Get a big spin right here. Right here, boys.
Oh my!
Got me a blue on that one, boys.
Yeah, I did too. It might be two there.
There's a couple of blues that fell.
Wow.
Look at them all out there.
Oh my god.
Coming still.
What the fuck is happening?
Did any help? I don't know.
I don't know. Boom!
Oh, here. Oh.
Get the fuck out of here.
Y'all showed up from Wisconsin, eh?
That was insane.
I told you to come down. And Caden almost didn't go. Caden wanted a nap. Caden wanted a nap. He didn't want to come down. Guys, I tell you what.
Woo!
We're done waiting.
We were done waiting. I shot a box.
A what?
A box.
I gotta take the fucking jacket off.
A good thing I didn't put mine on. Dude, the amount of
Anyone want a mount of blue?
Yeah, we will be.
We will.
Get a finisher? We got two studs. This is very
very lively, but if you got a finisher.
I do not.
I'll choke them out.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Put it under your seat in your layout so you can't get away. I'll choke.
One more. Yeah! Good job. Fred. Good shoot.
Back on it, girl.
Boom.
I shot my shit down.
Insane.
Here. Here. Play. Come on.
That was fun.
Shoot up.
Night, night.
Get down, get down, get down. Kill them honkers on the left. Nice. Print.
That was loud.
Left side! Left side! Nice! Oh, nice! Fucking out, son of a bitch!
Oh, did he not die? Did he not die? Oh,
We killed one. The other one we didn't shoot at.
Hey, nope. Hey, nope.
I was gonna say I gotta at least take a poke.
Back
We
him
both
up!
shot at that one.
Yeah, dude.
Something's dead. It's mine.
Yeah, right.
It's just gonna be hard.
Let's go here! Shoot that bird. Just shoot him. One shot. Nice shot. He fucking tried to take the whole blind with him. You fucking meathead!
A lot of meat. How's 5?
3, 4. We're not even.
No.
We got a lot of lizards.
Yep.
We'll get to him. We'll get to him.
Yeah, the good.
Sweet group, guys.
Yeah, we just came through there. A couple times. River mallards? I watched videos there. You know Bobby?
Let's hear it.
Buddy Aaron put us on some birds. That's about it.
That's about it.
Yeah.
My name's Caden. Welcome to Jackass.